Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are good and doing very well. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to teach you about variables, what are variables and how to use it and what is the purpose of using variables like this. Okay, as you can see, first of all, this is a scripting tag. Okay, there are two options you can use in the head sections or in the body sections. Okay, so both are same and we will use in the body section. Okay, let me zoom so that you can see clearly. Okay, so this is our script. Here we can write our JavaScript codes and each and everything. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let me tell you what are variables. Variables like name, and it is same like in mathematics x and y, and we are use it for assigning the value. Like if you buy something from Amazon or online services, there you need to give your name and there will be a box, and outside the name is your, and that you can imagine that is a variable. Okay, so in computer science data is everything, and for storing data we need variables, and in JavaScript we need to declare variables with var. Okay, so let's say name John. Okay, so this is our very simple variable. This is variable. Okay, so if you want to declare variable, you must have to write this variable and some other operators like let or const, and we will talk about that in details with an explanation in next videos. Okay, so for this only variable. Okay, so this is our very simple and basic variable. Okay, so in JavaScript you can assign variables with dollars, underscores, and any digits, but must not be start with numbers like this one, but you can assign this one here, like here. This is a valid variable name, and this is not, and you can see its color is showing that it's not a variable, correct? Okay, so let me delete it. So that was very basic about, okay, variable like x equal to n. Okay, so this is our variable and this is operator and this is our value. We assign it like this. Here we assign name John. Okay, so yeah, that was very basic variables, and you cannot write a variable like this, name is, that will be wrong, but you can assign this one. Okay, like this, there will be no space, and standard example first name. Okay, camel space, you can say it is a camel space first name. Okay, so this is our variable first name like this. This is good practice, we use camel space because, and this one is optional. If you don't write then it's okay, both are same. Yes, and in the next lecture we will discuss variables more details, like other variables, let, constant, where to use it and when to use it. Okay, so that was very short introduction of variables, how to use, how to create, and this is very variable values. Okay, so that was it. Okay, So wait for next video, and next video we will talk about commands. Okay, stay tuned with me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to give me your precious suggestion in the comment section. I will be really happy to hear your suggestions. What kind of video do you want, and also tell me how can I improve more. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye bye, and meet in the next video.